Caterpillar wheel skidder 535B, and today I'm going to check the front and rear differentials. Well, as you can see, we have two plugs at the front. Upper one is a filler and side one is a level plug, and I use inch and 3/8 socket to remove the upper plug. And before doing that, I clean all the dirt and debris, make sure nothing will get in. And upper plug has a dipstick. See my oil level up to the full mark. And a side plug is a level plug when you change the oil in your differential, just for measuring the amount of fluid. Here we go. Very important maintenance part to check your oil and do oil change regular in your differentials. And on the back side, on another side, we have a drain plug. And as you can see, when you do the differential oil change, you drain, and that's your drain plug. Let's go to the rear axle, and as you can see, it has a upper plug, filler, and level plug. Same way, guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time watching this video, and always follow your service repair manual, and check the information down in the description under the video. I will put it there, and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.